Hi everyone, welcome to your Reader's Workshop today. For today, you're going to be continuing to build on your good reading habits by doing something at the end of your book. So there are so many times when we have a bunch of books in front of us and we just go through the pages and go through the pages and we just don't do anything afterwards. We just say we're done. But we actually are able to do something that good readers do when they build good reading habits, and that is doing something at the end. Now here I'm sitting down and I'm done with this book. What should I do? Well, that is the question that we all ask ourselves when we're done. When we finished reading a book, we can either go back and reread the whole book. We can go back and reread our favorite parts. We can go back and think back over the parts and ask ourselves some questions in different parts of the book that we were a little bit confused on, right? Or we can retell it to ourselves or to a partner. And sorry guys, that was the same lesson that we had yesterday. Yesterday we worked on retelling the stories, and the day before yesterday as well. So that is something that you can do when you are done reading a book. Now, remember, when I am done reading, I can reread the book, reread my favorite parts, think back and ask questions, or retell a story. Now it's time for you to do the same thing. You're going to go to your cozy reading corner or just get comfy wherever you are. Read for as long as you can for up to 20 minutes. That'd be awesome. And remember to do something at the end of the book when you are done reading. Happy reading, everyone, and I will see you soon.